One of the things I noticed was that the tooling that we had available to us didn't really work so well with the scale of the packages that we deal with. So some of our packages are extremely large, kind of, it's difficult to put numbers, but say perhaps up to 1 million lines of source code in a single package. And the tooling, that we have available made certain things particularly difficult. I probably point to refactoring as being one of the hardest things to do on very large code bases. So if you want to change the design in some way, typically you'll have to make numerous changes across a code base, and then you have to deploy. And the deploy takes quite some time, obviously, particularly on large packages. You can be looking at an hour and a half to do a deploy to work out whether. So what I really wanted was something that could give much quicker feedback. So what it's about is largely looking at a package is what we look at mostly, and trying to work out very quickly whether it's in a good shape to do the deploy, so that I can modify many files, redo a design, and know it's got a pretty good chance of being able to deploy without having to wait the time period that it was going to take.
So you mentioned it's a local tooling, so it means we don't need to deploy to the Salesforce platform and get the feedback. Everything happens in your local laptop.
Yeah, exactly. It does all of the work. It's kind of a library. So basically, it just runs on your local machine, analyzes the package. Mostly, what it's doing is analyzing the classes in the package. That's really the focus of what it's trying to achieve. But in doing that, you have to look at other metadata types. So, we look at custom objects, we look at labels, platform events, flows, all the things that you can reference out of Apex. We need to know they exist, and what fields are on the custom object, so that we can validate that you're actually referencing a field that exists as opposed to